Welcome to the Nature Edition of the Bee Show. Join us in many fun adventures into the woods, at the ocean, even in your own backyard. Here's everybody's favorite host. It's Bee.
It's called Finding a Grasshopper's Nature Bee Show. Here it is. Okay, well, we got a grasshopper in the show and he's holding something.
What is it?
A grasshopper.
I know. What do you think?
He was holding a dandelion.
What's his name?
Yeah. La la la.
Got there, Pete.
Another one. Like a more something. What if they actually drink these? I think that's where they second enter. I think that's why they hold them.
They're drinking it?
I don't know, but they might be drinking the nectar. So they keep holding these little things.
He's spitting on you?
Yeah, he's trying to. Oh, there's got one there. Well, I really did get a lot of fit on me. But I couldn't find the other one.
Okay.
That was like up there.
Okay. Oh, we'll keep looking, Pete.
Oh, that's fit. Oh, he just fit on me.
How much spit do you have?
A lot.
Are you covered in spit, Pete? Oh, you are? Oh, my God. That's really gross. You gotta better wash your hands.
Let's make him hold something. He doesn't like that. But I think he's gonna love this. Poppers.
Look at how much spit. Ah!
He drained from his mouth.
Yeah, look, it's all over there in your hand. There. Oh, you really gotta wash. You got about 20 pounds, 20 gallons of grasshopper spit, I think.
Okay. Well, it's the time we're done with the Nature Show Bee Show. I hope you like the one after Bee's World and the one that we did today. And just get outside and look for nature and be brave and be best and find nature stuff.